Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with EF Education first for study abroad options, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the EF Education First website to begin your journey. Navigate to the Study Abroad section on the homepage. Explore the various programs they offer, including language courses, high school exchanges, and university studies. Determine which program suits your academic and personal goals the best. Once you've selected a program, click on it to access detailed information. Read through the program description, including location, duration, and available courses. Take note of the entry requirements and application deadlines. If you have questions, look for the Contact Us option on the site. Fill out any necessary forms to get in touch with an EF advisor. Alternatively, you can call their customer service for immediate assistance. Express your interest in studying abroad and the specific program you are considering. Prepare to discuss your educational background and language proficiency. Request information on scholarships, financial aid, and payment plans. Once you have all your questions answered, fill out the application form provided online. Make sure to gather all required documents, such as transcripts and identification. Submit your application and await confirmation from EF. Be ready for any follow-up information or interviews that may be required. After your acceptance, receive guidance on visa application processes. Stay engaged with your EF advisor for any further support. Begin preparing for your study abroad experience, including accommodation and travel arrangements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.